to Plamago Road in Southwest Palm Bay, Florida. Hi, my name is Karina Daninger with eXp Realty, and I have a spectacular, very new home built in 2021 coming for sale this week. So I don't want you to miss this, because if you're thinking about new construction, you're thinking about another home, don't wait to build a home when I can move you right now into this one. It is ready for a quick close. Come with me. Where we are located in Southwest Palm Bay, we are right down the street from Heritage Parkway. We have a brand new Publix and a strip mall getting ready to be built. You're close to Heritage High School, other schools. You're 20 minutes to West Melbourne up the Heritage Parkway. You're 25 minutes to the Melbourne Airport. Lots of shopping and dining up that way. You're also close by to a lot of side streets off of the Heritage Parkway that'll take you to other exits to 95, Route 1, the Indian River, and the beach. All very close to you within a quick drive. All right, let's talk about this house. First, I want to show you these amazing ceilings. They are vaulted and beautiful ceramic tile floor throughout the whole house. So there is no tile. Upgraded granite countertops, open floor plan, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. So I can't wait to show you. Come check out the kitchen with me. Beautiful shaker white cabinets, very nice stainless steel appliances. You can make this a little eat-in kitchen over by the window, or you could set up a little spot over there if you want to put a little dining room table up, or you could just put counter high bar stools up on the center island and call it a day and have more floor space for you. I really love this house for multiple reasons. One is light and bright. We barely have all the lights on, and it is very bright in this house. There is a lot of space. You can come this way. We'll go to the master suite first. One of my favorite things about this house is you have a private laundry room that doesn't have a door that goes out to the garage. So it is truly just a laundry room. I love it. In the master bedroom is quite large. I like the high ceilings, walk-in closet, and then let's go check out that master bathroom. It's nice, light and bright in here. And then in the master bath, you have double sinks, more of the white shaker cabinets, matching countertops to the kitchen, very nice walk-in shower with space. I love that you don't have to have a door, and I really love the tile they chose, including the floor, the Listello going upward to kind of give you that rainfall effect. And of course, if you really wanted to, you could put a wall up, a door here, and have a private water closet. Okay, come with me. This home is ready for a quick close. So if you know someone looking for a home and does not want to wait, or has sold their home and they're in limbo looking for their home, this is going to be the home for them. So let's go on over to the 2 bedrooms. We'll go to the first bedroom on the left. Oh, and we're going to stop here. Look at this cute little architectural detail. I love this because everybody needs a spot to put their keys or their purse or a little decoration without having to put a table to trip over. If you have kids, you don't want them messing with the table. This is awesome. I really think that nook is cute. Then coming in here, we have a nice sized bedroom, really pretty windows, and good closet space. It could be used for a bedroom or an office. Over here, we have the access to the bathroom. I love this double sink vanity. Usually they squeeze the sinks so tight together, and this one is actually spaced out very nicely. And the subway tile with the Listello, really pretty, light, bright, and clean. Nice second bathroom. As we come down this little hallway, we have a linen closet to the left. And then over here we have another bedroom overlooking the backyard. I love how big the window is. Really nice light coming through. And nice closet space again. Beautiful, beautiful baseboards I want to point out. I love the high baseboards. So there was definitely some upgrades done in this house when they were having it built. And then look at this space. I just want to share this space with you. everybody congregates to the kitchen. So I love when the kitchen flows into the living room because there's more space for people to congregate and get out of the way of the person cooking. There's also plenty of room if you don't like to cook to put all your takeout right here on this counter. Come with me. And we're gonna go outside. This backyard is spectacular. We are on a corner lot, so you have a nice big corner lot. And then look, they were able to put white vinyl fencing around the entire backyard so you can let your kids or your dogs play or just have the privacy. The septic is out front, so you can definitely put a pool back here if you're looking for a pool or just more backyard space or a bigger patio you could extend. It's really fabulous. I love the palm tree. I love the little garden center on the left. Plenty of room to grill. And like I said, plenty of room for your own privacy. And it's so quiet here. It's amazing. I love it. All right, let's talk about this house. This home is being listed for $350,000. It is not going to stay on the market very long. So if you know somebody who needs a house, wants a house, or needs to move, contact me, Karina Danger, the listing agent. My information's listed in this video. Or if you have a realtor, contact them to contact me so we can move this house. This is Karina Daninger with EXP. See you on the next listing.